Today, I bless my being with unlimited creativity. Positive thinking ignites my artistic impulses. Brilliant ideas come to me all the time. I am in flow with every particle of the universe. Divine inspiration surrounds me. I am a wellspring of creativity. I am an unlimited creative being. I am creatively expressing my highest potential. I follow my creative inclinations. I trust I am exactly where I need to be in my creative artistic journey. My talents are in demand and my unique gifts are appreciated by those around me. The creative power of the force lies within me. The creativity of the universe expresses itself through me. I have unlimited creativity and the ability to create something meaningful. With every breath I take, I am bringing greater and greater creativity into my life. My creative energy is limitless. An endless reservoir of creativity lies within me. I release all resistance to expressing my creativity fully. Every creative thought I express provides me with great joy. I easily express what divine intelligence designed for me to share. Every day, I become more creative and inventive. I am a clear thinker and I express myself with ease and grace. Every day, I let my imagination soar to new heights. My work brings me joy and pleasure. Every moment of every day, I am becoming more and more inventive. I am ready to share my authentic expression. I always follow where inspiration leads. I am a naturally artistic individual. I am full of infinite creative energy. Through hard work and determination, I am progressing my artistic skills every single day. The only person I compare myself to is who I was yesterday. I can always count on my imagination for inspiring ideas. I create new masterpieces every day. I express my unique creativity in all that I do. I am a creative genius. I open myself to a life of creativity. I find creative solutions to problems every day. With my creativity, I am inspiring others and impacting lives. I am endowed with great creativity and intelligence. I am proud of my work and its wonderfully unique characteristics. My creations are appreciated by all. I am immensely grateful for my creative abilities. I love the freedom that creative thinking gives me. I am incredibly creative, imaginative, and inspired. I am a powerful and resourceful creator. I have unlimited creativity and the ability to create something meaningful.